Agarwal chapter polynomial exercise 2b क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में वो कह रहा है वेरीफाई दैट 3 माइनस 2 1 आर द जीरोज ऑफ क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल पी एक्स इक्वल्स टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x² माइनस 5x प्लस 6 एंड वेरीफाई द रिलेशन बिटवीन इट्स जीरो एंड कोफिशिएंट। तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये वेरीफाई करना है कि 3 माइनस 2 एंड 1 इस क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल के जीरोज हैं। अगर 3 माइनस 2 1 इस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोज हैं तो ये वैल्यू रखने पर मुझे मेरे क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या होगी, जीरो के इक्वल होगी। तो सबसे पहले हमारा पी एक्स है एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x² माइनस 5x प्लस 6 एट x इक्वल्स टू 3। जब हम x इक्वल्स टू 3 रखेंगे तो हमारा पॉलिनोमियल P3 will be equals to 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 cube is 27 minus 2 into 3 square 18 minus 15 plus 6. So this will become 27 and 6 33 and minus 8 and minus 50 minus 33. So P3 is equals to 0. So hence x equals to 3 will be 0 of given polynomial. Now at x equals to minus 2, p minus 2 will be minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 2 square is plus 4 and plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 5 into minus 2 will be plus 10 plus 6. So minus 16 plus 16. This is also equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2 also be in 0 of given cubic polynomial. Now at x equals to 1, p1 will be 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. 7 minus 7, that is also equals to 0. Hence 3 minus 2 and 1 will be zeros of cubic polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation between 0 and coefficient of polynomial. So we have given 3 0. First 0 is alpha, that is 3. Second 0 is beta, that is minus 2. And third 0 is gamma, that is 1. So firstly, as we know, sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equals to minus b upon a. Now comparing given polynomial with standard form of cubic polynomial. So हमें polynomial दिया हुआ है x क्यूब माइनस 2x² minus 5x plus 6. On comparing with standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. From here our a will be 1, B will be minus 2, C will be minus 5, and D will be 6. So our B is minus 2. So our alpha is 3, beta is minus 2, and gamma is 1 equals to minus B. So minus 2 upon A is 1. 3 minus 2, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So 2 equals to 2. Now sum of product of 0 taking 2 at a time. Sum of product of zeros taking 2 at a time, that will be equals to alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha, that is equals to C upon A. So our alpha is 3, beta is minus 2 plus minus 2 into gamma is 1 plus 1 into 3 equals to C minus 5 upon 1. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, and plus 3 equals to minus 5. So minus 8 plus 3 equals to minus 5. So from here minus 5 will be equals to minus 5. Now product of zeros, that is given by alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus D upon A. So our alpha is 3 into beta is minus 2 and gamma is 1 equals to minus D is 6 upon A is 1. So minus 6 equals to minus 6, hence verified. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 2. In question number 2, he is asking, verify that 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial Px, 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10, and verify the relation between 0 and its coefficient. So, firstly, we know that if 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 3 is zeros of given polynomial, then the value of polynomial at x equals to 5 or x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1 upon 3 will be equals to 0. So from here we have given Px is 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. So firstly we will check at x equals to 5. Our p polynomial Px will be equals to 3 into 5 cube minus 10 into 5 square minus 27 into 5 plus 10. So 5 cube is 125 and 125 into 3 will be equals to 375. Now 5 square is 25 and 25 into 10 will be minus 250 and 27 into 5 will be equals to minus 135 plus 10. So from here 375 plus 10 will be equals to 385 and minus 250 minus 135 will be equals to minus 385. So this is equals to 0. So x equals to 5 will be an zero of given polynomial. Now we will check at x equals to minus 2. So px will be at x equals to minus 2, 3 into minus 2 cube minus 10 into minus 2 square minus 27 into minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 cube will be minus 8 and minus 8 into 3 will be minus 24. And minus 2 square will be 4 and 4 into minus 10 will be minus 40. Now minus 27 into minus 2 will be equals to 54 and plus 10. So minus 24 and minus 40 will be equals to minus 64 and 54 plus 10 will be equals to plus 64. So 64 cancelled minus 64. This is equals to 0. Hence x equals to minus 2 will be an 0 of given polynomial. Now at x equals to 1 upon 3, our px will be 3 into 1 upon 3 whole cube minus 10 into 1 upon 3 whole square minus 27 into 1 upon 3 plus 10. So from 3, 1 power of 3 will be cancelled out. So this will be equals to 1 upon 9 and this will be equals to minus 10 upon 9. 3 says this will be cancelled out 9 times. So minus 9 plus 10. So from here 1 upon 9 minus 10 upon 9 minus 9 plus 10 will be equals to plus 1. So from here 9 is our LCM. So 1 minus 10, 1 9 is 9 plus 9. So from here 10 minus 10 upon 9. So this is equals to 0. Hence, so 1 upon 3 also be an 0 of given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation between its 0 and coefficient. So we have given 3 0. First 0 is alpha, that is 5. Second 0 is beta, that is minus 2. And third 0 is gamma, that is equals to 1 upon 3. So from here, firstly, sum of zeros, और इस इक्वेशन को हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से कंपेयर कराएंगे तो हमारा a will be equals to 3, b will be equals to minus 10, c will be equals to minus 27 and d will be equals to plus 10. So sum of 0 is given by alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equals to minus b upon a. So alpha is 5, beta is minus 2 and gamma is 1 upon 3 equals to minus b minus 10 upon a is 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 1 upon 3 equals to 10 upon 3. So from here 10 upon 3 will be equals to 10 upon 3. Now product of zeros taking 2 at a time. Here we have to add sum of product of 0 taking 2 at a time. So that will be given by alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equals to C upon A. So our alpha is 5, beta is minus 2 plus beta minus 2 into gamma 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 into alpha is 5 equals to C upon A. So C is minus 27 and A is 3. 5 into minus 2 will be minus 10, minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 will be equals to minus 27 upon 3. So here 3 is our LCM. So this will become minus 30 minus 2 plus 5 equals to minus 27 upon 3. So minus 30 and minus 2 will be minus 32 plus 5. This will be equals to minus 27 upon 3 equals to minus 27 upon 3. Now last product of zeros, that will be equals to alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus d upon a. So alpha is 5 into beta is minus 2 and gamma is 1 upon 3, that is equals to minus d minus 10 upon a is 3. This will be minus 10 upon 3 will be equals to minus 10 upon 3. Hence verified.